What's up, Stream Geeks? Have you ever wondered what it takes to produce a professional sports broadcast with instant replays, graphics, and multi-camera switching? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of a high school broadcast team that's putting together game day productions. So whether you're a student, an educator, or just someone interested in live production, this is proof that with the right tools, a student-run broadcast can provide the dual purpose of recording and streaming video and still provide real-world audiovisual technology experiences for the students. So this winter basketball season, I had the incredible opportunity to work with the Salesianum School in Wilmington, Delaware. Their student-run broadcast team involves over 20 students in the media class who help out with the live and post-production videos for their sports programs on campus. On my most recent visit, I was helping them set up the vMix instant replay system and demonstrate to the students the basics of instant replay in sports. What I saw was nothing short of inspiring. These students weren't just learning, they were running the entire production. The speed at which these high school students were able to learn and adapt and embrace this new technology was really impressive. I just want to take a moment to thank Salesianum School for inviting me to work with their incredible student broadcast team and to help set up the vMix instant replay system during one of their big rivalry basketball games. I always enjoy listening to the students and the questions that they have and observing how younger generations think about video. There was a sizable team volunteering to help the production, with 4 main active roles, which included a video producer, a camera operator, an instant replay operator, and a graphics operator. The producer was operating vMix, making sure every angle was covered. The producer was working with a Stream Deck controller and even adding new buttons that he needed to control the instant replay and when it was going to come off and on air. The camera operator was positioned right next to the producer using a PTZOptics SuperJoy controller, which was smoothly following the action up and down the court. There was a second SuperJoy controller that was also made available to the PTZ camera operators in training. The second PTZ camera operator was able to kind of hunt for those close-up shots during the game to give the producer those amazing shots during the game. The instant replay operator was using the xKeys instant replay controller and was quickly marking events in and out to queue up those replays. Together, we learned about the differences between marking events in live mode, which just goes backwards 5 or 10 seconds, and the option to dig deeper into the game to create those entire playlists of replays that we could use at halftime. Finally, there was a graphics manager that used NewBlue Captivate to keep up the scoreboard, players' stats, and lower thirds that really made the broadcast look professional and polished. Watching this team work together was a reminder of how powerful hands-on learning can be. These high school freshmen, sophomore, juniors, and seniors weren't just pressing buttons. They were producing a show watched by thousands of fans online. And they were doing it with the same software and hardware that professional broadcasters use. This video production system provides a ton of flexibility for the school, who uses the same setup for basketball, wrestling, baseball, soccer, football, and more. If you're involved in your school media program, a coach looking to improve your game day coverage, or just someone who wants to level up their sports broadcasting skills, you could take a lot away from what this team has accomplished. And to help you get started, I've put together this book that we're giving away for free, the PDF copy. It's called Sports Video. It's the ultimate guide to sports video, live streaming, instant replay, and you can download a free copy at the link below to start building your own professional sports broadcast setup. The link in the description is something that you should check out. I'm going to detail even more the way this was all set up, and I'll leave you with the highlight reel that we created to give you a little bit of an idea of the way the video footage looked. We recorded this in 4K at 60 frames a second, so check it out and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions.